Fungi are the eukaryotic chemoorganotrophic organisms that have no chlorophyll. They are non-photosynthetic spore-bearing organisms. Let us see the growth factors or growth of fungi. Hypha is distal near the tip. The major region of elongation takes place in the just behind the tip. New hyphae generally arises from a spore which on germination puts out a germ tube. These germ tube elongate and branch to form a hyphae. It occurs in three forms: non-septate or coenocytic, septate with uninucleate cell, septate with multinucleate cell. So this is uninucleate and this is multinucleate cells. This is multinucleate. Here, the two nuclei in between these two, if it is present, that is multinucleate cell. So mycelia can be vegetative. They penetrate into the medium in order to obtain the nutrients. Soluble nutrients are absorbed through the walls. Insoluble nutrients are first digested externally by secreted enzymes. Reproductive mycelia are responsible for the spore production and usually extend from the medium into air. So the fungi reproduction can be occurred by two methods. One is vegetative, otherwise it is known as somatic or asexual reproduction. The other method is known as sexual reproduction. Let us discuss about the asexual reproduction of fungi. There are four different methods. The asexual reproduction of fungi happens. Fission of somatic cell yielding two similar daughter cells. The second one is budding of somatic cell or spores. Each bud a small outgrowth of parent cell developing into a new individual fungi. The third type is fragmentation or disjoining of the hyphal cell, each fragment becoming a new organism. The fourth type is spore formation. There are various spores responsible for the asexual production of fungi. There are many kind of asexual spores. One is sporangiospores. These single-celled spores are found within sacs called sporangia at the end of a special hyphae. So the non-motile sporangiospores are known as aplanospores. Motile sporangiospores are known as zoospores. Conidiospores. So small single-celled conidia are called, so these conidia, single-cell conidia are called microconidia. Large multi-cell conidia are called as macroconidia. Conidia are formed at the tip or the side of the hypha. The next type of asexual spore is idiospore or arthrospore. These are single-celled spores formed by the disjoining of hyphal cell. So in the hyphae, so the disjoining cells will be there, that is known as idiospores. The last type in asexual reproduction of fungi cell spores are chlamydospores. So the chlamydospores, here, these cells are thick-walled, single-celled spores are highly resistant to adverse conditions. They are formed from the cell of the vegetative hypha. Blastiospores are formed by budding. It will look like the lumps of granules together. The second type of reproduction of fungi, so far what we discussed is asexual spores. Now, sexual reproduction of fungi. Fusion of two compatible nuclei of two parent cells consists of three phases: plasmogamy, joining of two cells and fusion of their protoplast; karyogamy, enabling the two haploid nuclei of two matching type to fuse together to form a diploid nucleus. Meiosis again reduces the number of chromosome into haploid number. The sex organelles of fungi are called gametangia, male anthridium and female oogonium. Sexual production of fungi happens in five different methods, ways. Gametic copulation, fusion of naked gametes, one or both of which are motile. Gametangial copulation, two gametangia come into contact but do not fuse. The male nucleus migrates through a pore or fertilization tube into the female gametangium. Gametangial copulation, direct fusion of gametangia without the differentiation of gametes. The fourth method is called a somatic copulation. Fusion of somatic or vegetative cell happens here. And spermatization, union of special male structure called a spermatium with a female receptive structure. It empties its content into the later during plasmogamy. Now let us see some sexual spores which are produced by the fusion of two nuclei occur less frequently in smaller numbers than do in the asexual spores. There are several types of sexual spores. Ascospores. These single-celled spores are produced in a sac called an ascus. They are usually 8 ascospores in each ascus. Basidiospores. These single-celled spores are borne on a club-shaped structure called basidium. So this is basidium. Zygospores. These are large, thick-walled spores formed when the tip of two sexually compatible hyphae or gametangia of certain fungi fused together. Oospores. They are formed within a special female structure called oogonium. Fertilization of the eggs by male gametes formed in an anthridium give rise to oospores. They are one or more oospores in each oogonium. So fertilization of asexual and sexual spores may be surrounded by highly organized protective structure called fruiting bodies. Sexual fruiting bodies are known as acervillus and synidium, and sexual fruiting bodies are known as perithecium and apothecium. Thank you.